Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Bitamp wallet address. To find your wallet address on Bitamp, first of all, launch open a web browser and then in the URL box type in bitamp.com and search. Go ahead and log into your account by entering your seed phrase or your private key, and once you're logged in, you will end up in this account overview page. Go ahead and click on the Receive button, which is labeled at the top of the screen, and your unique Bitcoin wallet address will be displayed on the screen. Simply go to the right hand side and under the QR code, your wallet address will be displayed. Simply click on the little two square buttons, copy your wallet address to share it with others or for transactions. You can also let anyone scan this QR code on the screen so that they can instantly send you funds or Bitcoin onto your Bitamp wallet. Always double check the address before sharing it to avoid any mistakes or loss of funds. And that is how you easily find your wallet address on Bitamp. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.